In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much I made on Acuity. So in order to view your earnings on Acuity, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. Now, if you don't have an account yet and you're actually determined to earn money through Acuity, you can click on this Get Started option. Now, if you already have an account and you're already earning, you can click on this Login option right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see your Acuity scheduling right there. Now in here, in order to view your earnings, you just need to navigate the reports option. Here is the reports right here. Just click on this. And then after you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over and then click on the more menu. So it should be able to show you these reports if you have any. You can see the type of consultation, total hours, and appointments that you have. You can click on this revenue option in order to see your actual revenue. As you can see, I have in here a total of one transaction. And in here, it's the total receivables of around 45 pesos. You can see right here as well your paid appointments, as well as unpaid and owed appointments. Here we have in here this. You can see that this one is paid. It is the one that actually reflected into this part. Now in here, you can see as well your revenue report per specific date range. We have in here for September, but you can choose right here, for example, on the future, which is actually a forecast, or you can also choose from the past months that you have and click onto the show option right here in order to see what it would look like in this part. Now, if it have any info to show you, this will actually show into that. And in here, you can also change up other things for the revenue, and you can also see in here the tips that you have made so far. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.